Hello, Internet. 'Tis I, Ragnar, Barbarian, your favorite Silicon Valley transplant. My friend Bob just bought a new car, but I do not know with what.
Morning, Ragnar.
He has no pigs, no cows, no large belt of giant strength to barter. But he went to start one credit union. They gave him auto loan, not loan like big bank. It was simple. Rates were good. No shady blackness like the depths of Sheol, no public shaming afterwards, no veiling in misery, not even bloodshed. Yeah, I know, boring. Not everyone can be big bank. Okay, I done influencing.